Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel name. You can change the channel name from your computer or from your cell phone, and in this video I will show you both ways. I recommend you to watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. To do it from your phone, just open up YouTube mobile app and then right here at top right corner hit Add YouTube channel profile picture, just like that. Then at the very top, tap Add your channel. Next, tap Add that pencil icon that moves you to that page where you can easily find the name of your channel. All you have to do now is hit right there at that pencil icon next to your channel's name. Now you can edit your channel name as a regular text, you can remove some text, you can type in here whatever you want, and once you finished with that, just hit right here at Save button to set this new channel name. Just keep in mind that YouTube allows you to change your channel name 3 times in 90 days. And also remember that if your channel is verified, which means that you have a check mark next to your channel name right here, so if you change your channel name, you will lose that check mark. To change your channel name from the computer, all you have to do is go to youtube.com, and once you are at YouTube homepage, all you have to do is click right there at your channel profile picture, right in that way. Then click at your channel that moves you to your channel, where you can easily find that customize channel button. Just click on that and that moves you to Creator Studio, where at channel customization you can easily find that basic info tab. Just click on that, and right here at the very top now you can find your channel name. You can click on that and now you can change it, you can add there some text, and once you finished with that, you can right here hit at that publish button to set your new channel name. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.